My name is David.
My name is RJ.
And this is Catherine Lima holding the camera. The question we chose was 15.57. In the question, we were given three different groups. The first group, students diagnosed as learning disabled. Second group, students who identified themselves as learning disabled. And the very last group, students who were low achievers. We were given a couple means, sample size, and degrees of freedom. Our first mean was 9.4, second 11.63, third 11, and then our total mean was 10.676. Our sample sizes for all three were 30, including, and then our all was 90. Our degrees of freedom, the first one 29, second one 29, third one 29, pretty much all for those two. And then the total degrees of freedom was 89. And we calculated these by adding them up and dividing them by 3 besides the sample size.
Okay, and so next is our unova table. We have source of variation, we have the between, which is disabled and low, and we have the within, which is the error. We're given the sum of squares error, which is 749.85, but since we're given the degrees of freedom, we just plug in 89 here, and this is 90 minus 1. Since you have three groups, subtract 3 minus 2, you're given 2 degrees of freedom, which gives you 87 degrees of freedom in the middle. And then from there we find the sum of squares in between. And so we did this calculation, we took the mean minus the total for each one, and then times both of them by 30, or squared each one, and then times all of them by 30. And these are the values for each three. And then we add them up, we got 79.26, which you plug in here. And plug 79.26. So after this, we just add these two up, and we're going to get 829.11 for a total. Divide that by 89 will give us 9.3158. And then after that, take 749.85, divide by 87, which is 8.618. Then take 79.26 divided by 2, which is 39.63. And then to find the F ratio, we take 39.63 divided by 8.618, and we get 4.598, and then we found the F statistics.
For both of our F statistics, for our first one, 0.05, we received the answer 3.11503, and then for our second F statistic, we used the alpha 0.01 and received the answer to be 2.3725905. For both of these, based on both of these F statistics, we actually reject the null hypothesis for both of the alphas, and we say that the population mean score is not the same for all three types of the students.
That's a video.